Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Patriot token. Name of the token is Patriot, ticker symbol is also Patriot. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain, a meme coin, trending number 5 right now in the Ethereum section on DEX Screener. Has a gigantic 24-hour trading volume, big market cap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is an ERC20 meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. If you are looking for it, you can find it on Etherscan, and the chart and the price is going to be on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap. It's trending number 8 on DEX Tools right now, and trending number 5 on DEX Screener. Now they have been doing some marketing on DEX Screener. You can see the add button on there. Right now they have 1,480 holders. If you want to follow the Telegram, it is at Patriot ERC20. 768 subscribers. On the Telegram, there's like a full link tree to their Twitter, Instagram webpage. You could preview the Telegram channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token here, along with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. 60 tweets so far, blue verified checkmark at Patriot_ERC20. It says a global movement celebrating an American patriot. And on the Twitter right there, you're going to find a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And the webpage is linked right underneath. 22,200 Twitter followers. They just joined in August 2024. And yeah, so they have here in their pinned tweet, it says Donald J. Trump was asked to describe himself with one word, and his response was Patriot. Now the Patriot token is coming to take the world by storm in honor of DJT's sacrifices to make America great again. A 17-foot bronze statue of DJT is under construction, and the Patriot community will be presenting it to proud Republicans. Together, we will mark history and DJT's devotion to fighting for America. More details will be on the webpage and socials, which you can find in the link tree right there. Now, if you are looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or Coinbase wallet. Now, you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could find down there in the description box. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH, then you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you can find on their official webpage, patriotoneth.org, you would trade your ETH for the Patriot token. Now, I'm going to check in a second to see if there is taxes, because you may have to set slippage if there is taxes, and you are going to have to pay some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. So it says, honoring a legacy of patriotism. Patriot is honoring a DJT with the bronze statue commemorating the sacrifices he's made to preserve the fabric of American society. DJT's commitment to America First is emphasized by his policies that are centered around economic prosperity, preserving the Constitution, and enhancing security measures to ensure the safety of every citizen. DJT, a defender of liberty. Patriot statue of DJT is a symbolic new movement sweeping the globe. We invite you to join the Patriot token in highlighting DJT and his fight to preserve the traditional values that make America great. They have a photo gallery on their webpage that you could check out. They also have a roadmap, launch of the Patriot token, and gain awareness of its ultimate plan to place the statue of DJT in a special place for public viewing. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, they already have that. Engage in the public discussion and current events surrounding the election cycle and token-related updates, and that obviously went very well for him this morning, or whatever time zone you're in, because he is now elected. I'm Canadian, so I mean, I really have nothing to do with anything, but except tokens. Add central exchange listings to gain awareness, holders, and ease of access to buy the Patriot token. Engage media outlets as the statue of DJT evolves and the imagery gains power and perspective on a scale of this project. Complete the statue of DJT near the time of the U.S. election, so that I guess that should be soon then. Tour the statue of DJT at events after the election and prior to inauguration. Plan a ceremony where the statue of DJT will be unveiled for public viewing, and then make American history. Now it says here their total supply is 10 billion tokens, liquidity burned, and 0% buy and sell taxes. So you don't have to worry about slippage. There is a quick how to buy section too on their webpage that you could check out if you having troubles. You have tons of socials in the link tree too, like Instagram, TikTok. Contact email team@patriotoneth.org. Now this token right now has a $5.8 million market cap, $14.3 million 24-hour trading volume. So this token came out 6 days, 21 hours ago, so less than a week old. And yeah, according to Dex Tools, they have here a couple quick audits. They got 100 out of 100 on Token Sniffer. And yeah, on Dex Screener here, it says one issue. So their Quick Intel security audit has no issues on it whatsoever. But for some reason, Go Plus Security says there's blacklisting, but Quick Intel Security says there's not. I also don't see a liquidity lock button on Dex Screener, so that could be kind of sketchy. So yeah, liquidity is not locked according to Dex Tools or Dex Screener. So just be aware of that. That would be the biggest warning that I could see. And then also there's 2 alerts on their quick audit on Dex Tools here. Let's see what those are. Maybe more conflicts. It says here, yeah, external call risk, Quick Intel Security, but then Go Plus Security says no, and then Quick Intel Security also says other risks. So there is some warnings on this token, even though it's been around almost a week and it's doing very well. I mean, still a bunch of warnings there. Looks like there's pictures of them building the statue on their webpage. You can track that. But yeah, definitely take it with a grain of salt just because of those warnings there. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.